Okay, this was hysterical. I literally just did Orange Theory, and oh my God, I so miss like super early morning workouts because I love that it's 7 a.m. and I'm completely done and kicked my own ass. That's one. Two, I literally was like, I'm gonna do my own booty workout in here because COVID hit and I've lost my booty and I need to bring my booty back. I'm like, my side profile went from like a nice rounded and I'm like, what is happening? Yeah, so while I'm in class, I started doing my own movements, which got all of these other people in class asking me what I was doing. And the instructor's like, do we need to create our own dual class together? And I was like, sorry. And he's like, no, it's great. Just he's like, now I'm getting like ideas. So here are some things to do to soup up your workout. So always know that when you're in somebody else's class or anything you're doing, you can. So here are my additional workout tips. If you do Orange Theory or anything else, when you're on a rower, always row and pull to the side. That way you're doing basically an abdominal crunch, like an ab twist, right? A Russian twist. If hamstrings, lift your glutes and tighten your core by balancing on one leg while doing any weighted exercises, okay? So that's how to do something advanced. And that's another way to actually recruit more muscles, get some of those, you will. So you're adding that in. That's one to getting a chiseled, slim waistline, okay? Step two, any movements you can always isolate and recruit your adductor and abductors along with your hamstrings. Lift your glutes and tighten your core by balancing on one leg while doing any weighted exercises, okay? So that's how to do something advanced. And that's another way to actually recruit more muscles, get some of those smaller muscles as well, which is really, really awesome. And it's a simple thing that you can do and a simple tweak. Always keep your core engaged. Next and lastly, always add in some booty. Okay, so the final thing to this that I'm gonna say is, like, here's a great workout that you can do, and you do not need to be in a workout class, but get a towel at home, put it on a wood floor, and you're gonna pull your feet out and in, and you wanna lift your core and tighten it, but you also need to keep your glutes engaged. What does that mean? I need you to squeeze your booty together. Think of, if you're trying to hold in, going to the gallon of milk at home or water or what have you, and put it across your belly to add weight. Or if you're in a gym or you have weights, put a weight there or get a weight plate. And this essentially, that's what you want to do. And by doing this, you're really recruiting all of your muscles. You're keeping your core engaged, you're lifting, and you want to be picking up that pelvic floor. And this really helps. And a great thing to do to make this more advanced is get a... So does anybody else want to do like a booty lifting, like hashtag goals 2021 or by 2021? Let's lift our booty like Kardashian style. So it's like this. Yeah, if you're with me, let me know. DM me. I'll put a workout together and we'll meet right here, girl. We're gonna lift the booty. This is what I'm all about.